Hi dear, how are you all doing? I hope you are having a fantastic time. I would like to thank you all for joining my WhatsApp group. You all have joined because you saw my ad, you are interested in that, which was basically about how to reduce your weight or to gain weight. You saw the ad and you came to my group. Now, what is it you are really looking for? I want an answer from you. What is it you are looking for? What is your real problem which can be addressed? Let me tell you my story. I was born rich. My father was one of the greatest businessmen in our district in Karnataka. That is I was born in Coorg or Kodagu, the Field Marshal Karyappa General Timmaya's land. Naturally, I joined the Indian Air Force, served there for 23 years, and I participated in two wars. One was in Kargil, and another was as a UN peacekeeper in Africa, Congo. Then, after I took my voluntary retirement, I joined Wipro, where I served for 4 years. And later, I joined the prestigious organization called State Bank of India, served there for 11 years. I have the experience for all these industries. Of course, I can't call Air Force as an industry, but Wipro is a corporate one. State Bank of India is banking industry, and I have contributed well, and the results which I got was also very good. They paid in time, but deep inside me, I knew that somewhere I am not able to up to my full potential. Basically, my personality is such that I am a challengeaholic. Many might have alcoholic, that kind of thing. I'm not an. I'm a challengeaholic. I wanted daily challenges. Uh, Routine works bores me. So I was looking for an opportunity where I can grow myself with my potential. Then I did the research, and I came out with an understanding from certain research that in India that 70% of people are having obesity or overweight or underweight problem, which is a combination of nutrition deficiency, maybe physical exercise, maybe, and primarily it is a mindset issue, and the government cannot tackle this problem. 70% of the population means out of 140 crores, 70% means around 98 crores of people are suffering from this issue, and this challenge is going to be the mother of all diseases. Obesity is going to be the mother of all diseases, causing many kind of diseases. So naturally I thought, oh, this is a wonderful thing where I can contribute. Then I jumped to it. I studied about nutrition. I studied about peak fitness. Then in offline way, I helped around 100 people to maintain their weight, and they're all very satisfied customers. Then I thought, why not to expand it to all over our country, because language was not a problem. I can speak in Hindi, I can speak in English, I can speak in Kannada, I can speak in Malayalam, a little bit of Tamil. So I thought, okay, let us make it to all over India. But to taking it to all over India online is a different aspect, because I had to learn many things: how to do internet marketing, how to do video, and this video making and everything. I am not so expert about in that, but one thing I am very expert, which I can call myself, is I can help you develop your physique. If you are underweight or if you are overweight, I can help you. This much confidence I have. Maybe my videos may not be so much beautiful like other creators. I am not a big influencer, but my intention is to help people to overcome their overweight or underweight challenges. That I can do it. But only thing is, we should have a mindset that, yeah, that I want to change. And you also should understand, everybody, in order to make a change, needs a guru or a mentor or a coach or a trainer. This has been even in the past also. Earlier in the kings, when kings were ruling us, they had their own advisors. And now even top sportsmen, they have their own coaches. Same way, everyone requires a teacher, a mentor to guide them, to bring out their best in them. Same way, I have developed myself as a trainer, and I would like to help you. But I can only help you when you come, when you approach me. I have developed a system where you can come to me at your own convenient time. If you just click a link, you can book a call, a free clarity session where I can understand you and you can understand me, what I am speaking about. This free session is only for certain days. After that, it is going to be a paid call. I want to give it away free initially. So whoever is really serious regarding their health, please do click the link below and let us take it forward. You are not going to lose anything just by having a free clarity call on Zoom. And if you don't like what you are seeing in me, it's also okay. You are not going to lose anything. So please do, if you resonate with what I am telling, please do click the link below for a free clarity session, and let us take it forward. Because you came here into the group because you had a problem. You saw my ad, you had a problem, you had a need, you clicked it. Now don't be silent. Be an action taker. Click the link and let us take it forward. Let us see. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.